Welcome back to our channel, Code Resist. We've been crafting many engaging videos for you. And today we're excited to present another fascinating installment. This video delves into the world of KPIs, or Key Performance Indicators. Today, we're going to explore the art of what's possible with KPIs. Whether you're involved in a startup, a private organization, or a public entity, you've likely encountered KPIs. Sometimes these KPIs are directly linked to your own individual performance. Other times you may have heard about the KPIs for your group from your manager, or perhaps the corporate-level KPIs from your CXOs. Regardless of whether you're an individual or part of a company, setting goals and visions that ultimately translate into KPIs is essential. These KPIs define your performance in key areas and are crucial in shaping our lives. Let's dive deeper into understanding KPIs and their significant impact on our professional journeys. Today in this video, I am going to highlight the importance of KPIs, share some innovative facts, and explain how to measure them. Plus, I'll give you a real-time look at what a KPI dashboard looks like. And towards the end of my video, I'm going to give everything to you so that you can also experiment with it yourself. When we first encounter the term KPIs, numerous questions often pop up in our minds. To address this, I have created a visualization of the problem. I use this approach whenever I want to grasp something new. By creating a problem visualization, I aim to understand all aspects of the issue at hand, in this case, KPIs. This method makes it easier for me to grasp the what, how, which, who, when, and where aspects of my problem. Then I diligently work to find answers for each of these problem statements. In this example, I have created a quadrant of KPIs that primarily focuses on the how, why, what, and who aspects. Every single question here can be challenging. Therefore, I've compiled the FAQ section for some of the simpler yet significant questions, so you can always refer to it and deepen your understanding. As I mentioned earlier, KPIs are an integral part of every organization and have a significant impact on the entire business value chain. What does this mean for you? Regardless of your business unit, you will have your own KPIs. For example, the HR department, the marketing team, and the logistics group each have their own distinct KPIs. What I've done here is create a very comprehensive version of key performance indicators that applies to every single business value chain of any organization. There are some exceptions, but these are generally the main business functions. Now, you might wonder why it's important to understand these KPIs. If you're in the service industry, it's crucial to know your customers' KPIs before you make your service offer or sales pitch. You want to ensure that your pitch aligns with their goals and strategy. This is why you need to start learning about the KPIs, understanding how they impact their performance and how you, as a service provider, can contribute to their success. Now let's elevate our understanding to the next level with KPI metrics. By now, we all understand KPIs by business value function, but a more critical question arises. What are these KPIs? How are they measured? And what are some real-world examples? In this part of the video, we will explore all these aspects. Each KPI is listed along with its core definition and the formula used for its calculation, enabling you to understand how these KPIs are computed. Additionally, we provide examples so you can apply this knowledge yourself. You will also notice a filter on the right side of the framework. This tool is designed to help you search for specific KPIs that are of most interest to you. I hope you're enjoying the video and staying engaged for more interesting content to come. Now let's delve into KPI measurements. Essentially, this part explains how KPIs are tracked in real time, whether manually or through an automated system. To provide you with a practical demonstration, we have developed a tracker for these KPIs spanning the last 4 years and each quarter. This data will assist you in building your own KPI dashboard, a CXO-level dashboard that represents a company's performance across their business functions. Additionally, you'll notice a filter on the right side of the screen that allows you to sort and filter these KPIs by year, category, or quarter. Isn't that interesting? Let's move to the final part of this video, which is also the best part, the KPI Dashboard. While you put a lot of effort into identifying and tracking your KPIs, what's the point if you can't visualize them? This is where the dashboard comes into play. For this video, I've created an automated dashboard using simple Excel tricks, but you can create an even better version using any system or web-based portal. Be sure to check out my other video, which explains how to create a KPI dashboard without writing a single line of code. You can build your own KPI software completely code-free. Okay, let's return to the dashboard. This is an automated dashboard that is populated based on your KPI Measurement Tracking tab. On your left, you will find a few filters that will help you change the values by years, country, or quarter to see the impact on each KPI. All of this is available for free for you to learn and use. We've put a lot of effort into this, so we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel and like our videos. The link to download this KPI tool is provided in the video description. Let's meet again in our next video to explore something new and innovative.